Eat your bitch, you fat motherfucker.
Hello guys, here I am again, Fabio Pisco, and this is Ancient Gameplays. Today we have, finally, yes, we have the unboxing of the RX 5600 XT from Sapphire, the version of Sapphire Post Black Edition, BE. Okay, I'm really happy because this is actually my first hardware sponsor. So the first GPU that I received from a brand, in this case Sapphire, I entered in contact with them and they actually accepted it, and they said they were also interested in sending some samples, which for me is really great. Thanks a lot, Sapphire, and thanks, Philip. What I mean with this is not it's not like, okay, I'm receiving free products. It's not that alone. It's the fact that I know that my channel is somehow receiving attention, and people actually acknowledge that my channel deserves to get some samples, which is really a thing of great value for me. That's it, yeah. But well, let's now go to the unboxing, the part you really want to see. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. So, and here we are. As usual, you know, I like to do the unboxing on my garden when the weather is actually fine. It is really hot, not fine, because it is over 35 degrees. Actually, I think it is 34, not over 35, but still pretty hot, and we're not used to that shit. But well, let's go to the unboxing. Okay, I already opened the card, but the box, I mean, but I really want to show you how the card actually looks, because, well, being fair, it is pretty decent. I was surprised. Okay, here is the box, the usual card box. Let's just look at the box a bit. So, RX 5600 XT, 7nm, Fidelity FX, FreeSync 2, HDR, blah blah blah. RDNA architecture. On the side we have the RX 5600 XT BE Black Edition. On the back part we have the product specifications, of course, the outputs, the key features, dual X cooling, dual ball bearing fans for a more silent operation, and yeah, that's basically it. Okay, minimum 450 watts or greater system power supply. Well, they are playing safe here, so you can actually run it with way less, but yeah, that's it. Now, let's open the box. And we have here the card. One thing though is that since I think this may be something like a refurbished version, so I actually don't have the manuals and the accessories, but that's it only. So you basically should have something like a CD or a DVD, and something like some papers, maybe some codes for the games if you are buying the card new. But apart from that, that's it. So I just don't have the accessories, sorry about that, but I can't really control that. As for the card, I can indeed control it, and damn, the card looks awesome. The first actual thought that I had was that the card was, and in fact is, pretty damn small. The card is pretty damn small. The card is as big as the Pulse version of the RX 580. So we have a card more powerful than a Vega 56 while undervolted and overclocked, while being more powerful. Sapphire, as you can see, 8 pins, 8 power pins. Pulse, Sapphire Pulse. The black version is really damn great. I do like the older Sapphire Pulse, the non-BE version, which has the silver and the red and the black, but damn, this black edition is really great. It looks so much better in my opinion. You have the fins on the side, once again, Pulse. Yeah, the front side, it does look cool, and it doesn't feel that cheap. It doesn't feel that cheap. You can see obviously it's plastic, not the backplate. The backplate is metal, of course, but overall, apart from that, it doesn't feel cheap at all. not at all. And like I said before, the card is really small, which is pretty damn great. And you may think that the card has issues in terms of cooling, but it actually doesn't. So the card is pretty damn cool temperature wise, not style, also style, but temperature wise is pretty damn cool because I tested it. And it is also silent and performs pretty damn great. Also, you may not know, but Sapphire has these cuts. So this part in the backplate is not covered due to temperature. So this will help the temperatures being lower, and it also looks badass as fuck. So yeah, I really like the card. And well, guys, I'm sorry if there isn't much more to say, but what I can say once again is that this card looks and feels awesome. This backplate is one of the most well-designed, the more well-designed backplates that I've seen. It looks really slick and it feels great. Of course, there are better backplates, but this one looks really damn great. Thanks once again, Sapphire, for sending me the card. And well, that's it. 8 power pins, cool, quiet, not much more to say. Let's see just a bit of how it looks. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video because that is really important. Thanks a lot for watching, and well, share this video if you can once again. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next one.